So what's good, everybody on YouTube? This is your boy Akil McLeod back with another video, and today I got a huge unboxing for you guys. Today I picked up a bunch of shoes from Poshmark, and like I told you guys, I'm focusing on shoes in 2020. So the thrift stores in my area are really expensive. So for me, I just decided to finally use some of my Poshmark credits. I had about about 150 bucks in Poshmark credit, and I just was trying to find some really good deals, some really good steals, to be honest. It was like around 9 o'clock and I realized that somebody had a bunch of Nike shoes and some Jordans as well listed really cheap. I guess they were trying to just liquidate their closet, or maybe they were just trying to get rid of stuff around the house, who knows. But this was really just a good opportunity for me to just do some really cheap sourcing, and at the end of the day it was all from Poshmark credit. So all of these shoes were completely free to me, so this is going to be some really good profit either way. So hopefully the shoes look like what they're supposed to look like. But let's just jump into it and see how these shoes, the overall condition of these shoes. First shoe, we got a pair of Nike Air Up Tempos in the white and red colorway, and this is actually a size 6.5, I believe. And to be honest, overall condition on these shoes, really not that bad. I'll give you guys a close-up of that. There's only a minor scratch I'm seeing on the medial side of the shoe, but for the most part, really good condition. Give you guys a quick shot of the other shoe, and they actually had these shoes listed for 15 bucks. Honestly, my thrift stores probably would have had these shoes listed for way more than $15, and I didn't even send an offer or anything. With all these shoes, I just added them to a bundle and I just made the quick purchase. So for these, I could easily get 50 to 60 bucks for these once I clean them up. I'll also show you guys some comps. I'll probably put that up right here so you guys can see some comps. Oh, this was definitely the shoe that I thought was gonna be I guess you can call this the money shoe, the shoe that had the best value. They actually had this listed for 25 bucks. Only downside to this, what I'm seeing right now, is that it looks like there's some dog hair on this shoe. But for the most part, like again, another $60 to $70 shoe. I'll just probably use a lint roller, get rid of that dog hair. But for the most part, these shoes are in really good condition, and these are actually in my size. So I also want to let you guys know, if you guys are in the Phoenix Mesa area and you guys go to LA Fitness, drop a comment. We could probably link up and we could play some ball, because I'm trying to step up my game this year. So I might actually hold on to these for a little bit. These are in really good condition overall. Just that dog hair is just blowing mine a little bit. But these are a pair of Air Jordan 32 lows. I believe the comps on these, when I did check them out, it was about 70 bucks, sometimes a little like 60 bucks. Nothing too crazy, but I'll probably hold on to those for a little while and then I'll flip those. Alright y'all, quick update. I just tried these shoes on and I'm definitely going to be keeping these. So like I said, if you guys are in LA Fitness, or if you guys want to go to LA Fitness, I could sign you up and we could just hoop. But these are definitely going to be staying in the personal collection for at least a little while, because these shoes are super comfortable, my size, and it's just going down. Next, we got a pair of Air Max 1s. These are in also really good condition. Just some more dog hair. I guess this person had a lot of dogs, but it is what it is. I'll easily be able to clean these up. You guys can see there is some stains on there. Air Max 1s, black and white colorway. I seen a comp on eBay. Somebody had these listed for about 80 bucks and they took a best offer on this. So I'll probably list these once I get them nice and clean. You guys can see there's some stains on the toe box. Once I get those stains off, and I should easily be able to get that off, especially with some rubbing alcohol, that should go off with no problem. And I'll probably list these for about $60 to $70 for those. And moving along, again, we got a pair of Nike Huaraches in a size 7. This is probably the most beat up pair of shoes, but this one they was only asking $8 for these shoes. So I figured I might as well just throw it in, because honestly, if I found these in the thrift for 8 bucks, I definitely would have grabbed them up as well. 8 bucks for these shoes. This is definitely the one that's in the worst condition, but I can easily get 20 to 30 bucks for these once I do clean them up. Definitely not a ton of profit to be made, but like I said, everything in here is going to be profit for me. In terms of what they had these shoes listed for, they had the 32s listed for 25. They had the Air Max 1s for 25. They had the Nike Air Up Tempos for 15. These were 8, and we have one more shoe left in the box. And this was a pair of Jordan 3s in the wolf gray colorway, and overall condition, not bad. There's some scuffs, there is some scratches. It was a 6.5, so I'm pretty sure a little kid was wearing these. and you know how little kids do with their shoes. But overall, really not bad condition. I can easily get maybe about 50 bucks for these shoes. The scratches on the one side is pretty deep, but I'll probably aim for about 40, maybe 40 bucks, 45 bucks for these shoes. But still, overall, everything to me, like I said, is gonna be good profit. I didn't pay anything for these shoes. I use Poshmark credit for all of these shoes. So I'm gonna continue doing some more sourcing on Poshmark. There are some people on Poshmark that's literally just liquidating their inventory, or they're using the app as what it was initially intended for somebody to just get rid of stuff in their closet and buy new stuff. So altogether, I think I spent about $83, $84. I'll definitely share a screenshot for you guys of that as well. But overall, really good condition. Quick clean jobs for all of these. This is definitely my favorite shoe out of the whole lot. This actually is matching what I'm wearing, so it's a sign, you guys already know. Very happy with this box. If you guys follow the channel, you guys know I've made some purchases on Poshmark in the past and didn't do so well. I ended up making some returns because they was definitely lying when it came down to the overall condition, but Poshmark took care of me when it came to that. So if you guys are interested in more of these type of videos, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
For the winner, cause you felt like you was losing, only for the winner. Mood just to keep from cooling, like only for the winner, only for the winner, only for the winner. Boy, my heart is cold, and I'm too cool to sweat it. I should've never offered it. I'm tight and now I'm off this shit. You should wanna be a real one.